Welcome student to my channel Educare Maths and Science. Today I also discuss the continuation of the AP, but this is the chapter exercise 9.3. This is the actually email Lagrange from class 10 I.C.S.E 2025 edition. This is actually the sum of the first 10 terms of AP. Sum of the first in terms of AP. There is a two formula is there. Two formulas. One is the sum is Sn. Sn is equal to Sn. Sn is equal to this is the n by 2 bracket a plus n, one formula, and the one other formula is the same as this. This is the n by 2 bracket 2a n minus 1 into d. This is the second formula. Clear? On the basis of this, we just, what is the given thing? On the basis of this, you use the formula. Okay. So here is the first 9.3 first sum, 9.3 exercise. The first sum 1.1. What is the question? Find the sum of the following AP. Find the sum. The previous video we already discussed, there is no sum, but this chapter is sum. That is the common difference and other thing. Find the sum of the following AP. What is the question? Question is number 1 is 2, 7, 12, dot. There is 2 to 10 terms. 10 terms. Clear? This is a given sum. The AP, this is the 2, 7, 12, dot, up to 10 terms. So what is the given here? You get first. There is no given the last term, but the number of terms is given 10. So the first term A, no problem. First term A is 2. The common difference D is 7 minus 2. This is 5. Okay, 12 minus 7 also 5. So A and D you get, and N is the number of terms. This is N. So which formula you apply? You not apply this formula. You just apply this formula. So this is Sn. That means S10. S10. Okay. S10. That is the formula is actually Sn. Sn is equal to this n by 2. Just write fast. 2a plus n minus 1 into d. You just apply the formula. So here is Sn. Sn is equal to n by 10. That is 2 bracket 2. What is the value of a? A is 2 plus n. What is the value of n? N is 10 minus 1. What is the value of d? D is 5. Okay, no problem. Just to apply the formula. So this is cut off. This is 5. This is 2 2s are 4 plus this 9 minus, this is 10 minus 1, 9 into 5. Okay, no problem. So this is 5 bracket 2 plus 9 5 45. So 5 into 47. 5 into 2 2s are 4. There is 2 2s are 4. This is a silly mistake. This is 49. So 245 the answer. This is a very important thing, a silly mistake. This is a very important thing. Maybe I will also face this problem. So the formula is, what is the way? Don't to be panic to see the sum. The very important thing is this. You know all the formula. The concept must be clear. Previous video already discussed in which way the formula is coming. Okay, no problem. So first, you just see the sum. Find the sum of the following AP. You know already two formula is there for find down the sum of the AP. One is Sn is equal to n by 2 bracket a plus n, where number of terms is given, first term is given, and the last term is given. Last term is the value of the last term. Very important thing. The value of the first term, value of the last term is given. No problem. then you apply the formula. If there is no given of the common difference. But where this is other formula, number of terms is there, a first term and the common difference is there. If the problem is arise, so you just apply the formula. Here is 2, 7, 12 up to 10 terms. Here is first term is given, common difference you calculate, and number of terms, that is n, is given. But there is no given the last term. There is no given the last term. In which you choose, which formula you apply. কোন ফর্মুলাটা তোমরা অ্যাপ্লাই করবে কোথায়, that is very important. Okay, so from this, here is last term is not given, so you not use this formula, cut off, you use this formula. Formula you given, this is this and this the line. Solve. Okay, so in this way you solve the sum. Clear? Now the next one. Other. Okay, very important thing, you just remember the formula. The formula is calculate the previous bit issue, the formula, and the other sum is number 2 sum is this. What is the sum? This is also 9.312. This is 2. Suppose this is 1 by 15 first, this is 1 by 12, okay, no problem. This is 1 by 10, okay, 2 dot 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 2 up to 11 terms, okay, no problem. এই অঙ্কগুলো দেখে তোমরা ঘাবড়ে যাবে না। ফার্স্ট ইউ গিভেন a is given, from there you just subtract the common difference, you calculate, and the number of terms, that is 11. That means n is given, but not the l is given. So for that reason you just use this formula. When l is given, use this formula. Okay, that is determined to you. So this is the first term, a is 1 by 15. d is 1 by 12 minus 1 by 15. So LCM is 60. Suppose 5, this is 4, that is 1 by 60. Be careful, very careful to do the calculation. Okay, and you know n is 11. So use this formula, Sn. Sn is equal to n by 2 bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Be remember and put the proper formula. That is very important. Okay, now just you put the value. So Sn equal to n by 2, n is 11 by 2. Okay, 2a, a is 1 by 15 plus n is 11 minus 1, and d is 1 by 60. Okay, maybe mistake also done by me also, but be careful. So this is first, this is 11 by 2 and this is 2 by 15. Cut off this, out of 11 by 15, and this is plus, this is 11 by 2 into this is 1 by 60. This is 11, this is 1, n minus 1, this is 1, so this is 10 by 60. Is okay, that a mistake is given. 10 by 60, that means 1 by 6. Clear? So this is 11 by 15 plus 11 by 12. 11 by 15, 11 by 12. So what is the LCM? This is also 60 is the LCM. So 4 into 11 plus this is 5 into 11. So this is actually 44 plus 55 by 60. The change is the pen. So this is this is 9 by 60. If you cut 3, so this is 33 by 20. What is the answer? 33 by 20. This is the answer. The 33 by 20. So answer is cut off this. 3 3 is a 9, 3 is a 3 3 is a. So 33 by 20. This is the answer. Sum of this. This is the answer. 33. 33. Okay. This is the answer. Okay. So in this way you solve it. In this way. Clear? So what is the sum actually? This is the 9.3 1 9.3 exercise 182 sum. So 1 by 15, 1 by 12, 1 by 10, this is dot dot 11 term. From that, you just see the sum, you just calculate in your brain, is the given, and which formula you apply, there is no last term. So you just apply this. Because you know the first term is 1 by 15, from there you calculate the common difference, and n is 11. So you just use the formula, don't use the formula, because you don't know the value of n, okay, no problem. Now just calculation. Very important is the calculation. B 1 by 12 is 1 by 60. Sn. The formula is just you apply the formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 bracket 2a n minus 1 into d. No problem. Clear? Now Sn. Sn means sum of the n. First n term. N is 11. So 11 by 2. 2 into a. A is 1 by 15. এইখানটা তোমরা একটু আস্তে আস্তে করো, জাস্ট নট ডন্ট টু বি হ্যারি। প্লাস n is 1, এখানে দ্যাট ইজ আ মিস্টেক দেয়ার, আমি করে ফেলেছিলাম। ওকে, সো হিয়ার ইজ n minus 1, so 10, এইখানটাই ভেরি ইম্পর্টেন্ট থিং। সো দিস ইজ কাট অফ 11 by 15, দিস ইজ 11 by 2 into this is 10, 10 by 60, 1 by 6, 11 by 15, 11 by 12, the LCM is 60, 11, and this is 5, so this is 44, 55, 5, 99 by 60, 3 দিয়ে কাটা, 33, 33 by 20, this is the answer, this is the ultimate answer. So sum of the first 11 term in that stage, this is answer is 33 by 20. Okay, clear? So thank you for today. If you just understand this, please share the channel, subscribe the channel. Thank you student, thank you.